Today, we're going to talk about action integrations and how you can add the products you use in the workplace every day into 50 Skills journeys and create new actions within those products. Let's take a look. Now imagine you have a simple onboarding journey. You send a form to someone. Once they fill out the form, the supervisor gets an email notification, and the person that filled out the form will get an email notification. But what if you don't want email? What if you'd prefer to have Slack or even both? Well, let's take a look at how you do that. The supervisor, in this case, gets an email. But once the email's been sent out, you also want to receive a Slack message. You click the Slack that's been added on as an integration. You add the text you want, which can use various variables, either from when you added the traveler to the journey or from the forms that they've filled out. You select which channel you want this to get posted to. And in this case, we've already field mapped which channels you can pick from Slack. And in this case, we're going to send this to the Journey Demo 1 channel. Click Save. You publish the changes. And if we add a traveler to this journey, what will happen now is that when we start the journey for John, the form gets sent out. Once the form's been sent out, the journey will continue, and both emails will get sent. And once this email has been sent out to the supervisor, a message gets posted on Slack. You can use it to add integrations like Slack where you're posting messages within that system. But you can also use it to create users in system. So let's take a look at how that will work. In this case, after posting the message on Slack, we also want to create this individual as a user in a system that we've added to 50 journeys. In this case, the system is called Hire. So to add a user in this system Hire, we need to have the name of the individual. And here we can decide where we get that variable. Do we want to send the full name, first name, last name? Do we want to take it from the traveler info when we added that individual? Or do we want to use perhaps information from the form that the person filled out? So you can really configure what makes the most sense for your processes. In this case, we're going to use the full name that the individual sent in the form. We're going to use the email that was when we added the user. And we're going to add this new variable role. In this particular system, there's a role called just user. So we can write that in. Or we could get that information snippet from when we added the user, or from a form that was perhaps sent to a supervisor who was picking the type of role that made sense for this user. But in any case, we just click Save. And now if we'd run that same journey again, what would happen is that the form would get sent out. Once filled, email will go to the supervisor, it would get posted on a Slack channel, and a user would get created in this system. You can add as many integrations as you want and actions within those integrations. And to do that, you need to go to the integration builder of 50 Skills and add the product that you want. There's a separate video for that, so take a look at that, and looking forward to hearing your feedback.